a lot of great things online and you can make some great money. So just hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. First of all, we're going to use this website, which is called warriorplus.com. And it's a place where you can just get a lot of these affiliate offers. Now, first of all, you will make money with this. It won't be like thousands of dollars each single day, but it can be some nice side hustle. And on top of everything, you don't have to create your own products, okay? So you don't have to create any content yourself. You don't have to create any product because these guys, they've got everything, okay? So now, what do you want to do? First of all, just go and make yourself an account. And when you log in inside of this, you'll have a lot of these offers. So let me just show you. Now, when you go inside of this, you will actually see that there's like these top products that they will offer to you. But I recommend that you avoid these because these are just selected by the random person, Now, what do we have to take care of? We need to go and we need to check the numbers. You need to get the numbers straight, okay? Because the numbers are going to get you the profit. So what you can do is you can just click on the affiliate here and then head over to these offers here. Now, what is this going to do? It's going to give you all these numbers. And of course, this is the most important one, conversion rate. And after that, it is refund rate. Okay, so this means how many of those people in percentages are going to convert when they see that offer. And refund rate, we have to aim as low as possible because refund rate is something that if people don't like the product after all, when they buy it, they can return that. And of course, they get their own money back. And of course, you lose the profit. So for this one, you have to aim as low as possible. And for this one, as high as possible. I hope that is clear. Now, let's go and make that money. Let's choose the offer which has a low refund rate and high conversion rate. For me, this is a good one. 76% conversion rate, and they have 0% refund rate. So let's actually see what this offer is. So when I go inside of this, I will actually see that there's like a rapid profit machine and people can make money with this, and all you got to do is to like affiliate for this offer and it will give you the commission. All right. So what do you want to do? First of all, you can always just go and you can just apply here. There's going to be a button here and then this is your affiliate link. Whenever someone clicks on it and they convert, well, you receive that commission. You receive money. And because 76% is a high number, you will get a lot of those conversions. So you can actually check out the sales page as well. And this sales page is made in order for people to just make them believe that this is going to give them the money. All right. So whoever buys this, they have a chance to win something without this like work and everything. They can just use this software and it will tell them how and where to make money. So let's leave that aside. Let's just take this affiliate link and now we have to find the traffic for it. The more traffic you find, of course, the more money you're going to get. Now, the first thing that you can do is you can make a website, for example, like it is your own company, and we do this because we want to get a lot of emails. And through emails, we can sell things, There's a lot of people just buying things when they see something in their email inbox. Trust me, it's a crazy world that we live in, but it is profitable. So this website is called Mixo.ai. So Mixo is going to create a website for you if you just describe that idea, okay? So for example, I'm just going to type it like this. My company sells the product called Rapid Profit Machine. So I'm just going to do it like that. And it helps people to make money online. So that's all that I have found on Warrior Plus offer. Okay, so that's what I have found. I know what my product is. So I can just click on the generate site right now, and in a matter of seconds, I'm gonna get pictures, I'm gonna get email subscription box, and I'm gonna get some text on it. So it's a whole website made for me. Okay, so you don't have to work at all. You don't have to be creative. You don't have to be like a web designer or anything at all. All we gotta do now is to get a lot of traffic on this website. And when people click on your website, everyone who is interested into making some money will just enter their email address in here. So they will submit that email, and later you will just use those emails to send them that sales page, your affiliate link from Warrior Plus, and they will buy that thing. So you can see the website is pretty neat, okay? It shows a lot of money, it shows some information, and a lot of people are gonna click on it. So what do you want to do now? Well, we have to take the link of this website. You're going to save and customize, and then you will take a link of this website. The next thing that you can do is you can go over to facebook.com, and then you can just tap in Make Money Online here and then head over to these groups, okay? So a lot of these groups are going to be on Facebook, and there's a lot of people inside of these groups, and trust me, a lot of those are going to click on your website. Just take a look at the sheer number of these members, okay? So 120K members, 49K, 40K. So just try to imagine how many of those guys and girls are going to click on your link. So that's crazy, really. That's really crazy. A lot of people are going to click on that, and a lot of people are going to go to your website. When they land here, well, the people who are interested, they will just submit their email address, and those are your warm leads, okay? So whenever someone enters that email, so that means that that person is actually interested, and then that person just needs a little nudge towards it, and you will get that money because they already want to get that. That's why they entered their email address. You know it. Then what you can do is you can go over to ChatGPT to write you an email, because you don't have to write the email yourself because you have AI tools. So you can just ask ChatGPT the following: write me an email for selling product which is called Rapid Profit Machine. So this is how it's going to work out, okay? So ChatGPT is going to make us an email so you don't have to. And whenever you get those emails, you just send out this email, okay? Or you can just make versions of this email, okay? Maybe you don't like something in this one, and then you just change it a bit, and then you just take that, copy and paste, and send to all of those emails that you've gathered on Mixo website, okay? So that is how it's going to work, okay? It's going to be really, really great. Just take a look at this, guys. It knows what I'm looking for. So boost your business revenue today. The Rapid Profit Machine, it's going to help you. It is going to give you everything that you need, okay? All you got to do now is to send those emails to all of these people that have entered their email address in the box. So that's how you make profit with this one, guys. It is a pretty easy thing to do. That traffic, of course, is going to be on Facebook.com, and a lot of those people are going to visit your website. Now, another thing that you can do is Hercules Plus, which has a lot of emails in its database, okay? So when you just start here, you will just give them an email, and they will send that email to each and every one of those emails that these guys have gathered, okay? They have some paid options, but you don't have to pay a cent in order to make this work, okay? So you can use Hercules Plus if you want to get this automatically done, okay? And then, of course, for each one of those sales, you will receive $3. Okay, so because this product is really, really cheap and your commission is $3. So for example, you only need 10 today to sell, and that's $30 for you each day recurringly. Okay, so that's a recurring commission which you can take for yourself, guys. So make that website, gather those emails, and just send them out. Okay, there's money to be made, guys. So just take that action, and I'll catch you.